So till
Hello.
while, yeah, can you hear me, Megha?
Yes. Yeah, I was designing this form only. I was designing, launching the form.
So
Route
what
map
happened?
again, it was giving error.
Okay,
I have,
Let's share your screen
yeah, I'm sharing my screen first.
so I can understand the concept.
Yes.
So what is the issue?
It's giving an error. And when I'm trying to save route map employee, here employee will come, no?
Employee will come.
Save. The empty route map is invalid. Reset start. There is no role selected for your step. Please define who will be involved in this step by selecting the role below.
Just a minute. What are you doing?
Yes.
You just untick first one untick. I want to personalize the evaluation stack untick
That
below
I
the
have done.
no. But there is two options is given now up upper. There is one option below the
Yes.
roadmap. I want to personalize the evaluation stage. Antique. This one. Antique.
This one. Okay.
Antique. And what are you doing? Is it every step? Delete every step. Just a minute. Just a minute. You just do one thing. Again, going for the route map. I think you are not understanding the concept. That's the reason. Again, going for the home page. Again, typing manage route map.
Okay.
Manage route map, na? RUT. What are you typing?
मम्मी मोबाइल है बैग नहीं है मेरे को पता है अरे मम्मी
हाँ ठीक है. Yes, yes.
Going for the second step, creating a route map.
मेरी बैग
So
नहीं
going for the add new map. First one.
Yes, yes. Built your room.
Build your own. Okay.
है
Yeah.
Huh. You can take your name that is employee review.
Employee.
Review.
ये जो बैग नहीं है
Employee review.
Okay.
जाओ
Just again going and again typing the same, copy and paste in a short description also same. Again copy and paste it in a short description, same concept. Roles, what are you doing? Just a minute. It's an employee role.
Employee.
Yes, going for the employee. Then date
Manage
15.
60. Okay.
Anything.
Exit day 30th.
Yeah. Due date also same.
So,
Now just a minute. Why you are all just wait. Just going for the signature step. Second step below the add में चाहिए. Yes. You just typing manager review. Manager review. Then okay. Just typing same concept, copy and paste manager review.
okay.
Now going for the step type by manager. So date also same, 15 to 30 or 16 to 30, whatever. 16. Always taking the previous review, employee review date. 16 to 30 means 16 to 30. Manager also, okay. So okay, now just a minute. Now going for the computer stage. Third one, there is given na computer stage. Click, click on it. So configuring whom you given the permission for the carbon copy. That is HR representative. Going for the HR representative. Now, just a minute. Now you can change the route map name. You can change your own name like ABC route map 1. Up. Route map.
MBT route map.
Take also today date 25 of August 2023. So that should be easy. 25/8 2023.
How it is just
Very good. Okay. So now save it.
because even
Everything is
today,
clear right now.
Hmm.
this is the
So
most
now you
press.
can going for the which part?
Launch form.
Have you done the manage template? Have you done or not?
That I have done only goal plan I have made for this. Create a goal rating scale also, but only thing is manage template.
You are
Okay.
missing. Okay. Let's punching the form. Let's see what happened. Have you
Okay.
seen? Have you managed the template? Yes or no?
Manage template.
Please go for the manage template so I can rectify your issue. Okay.
Manage template.
You cannot find manage template. I can going for the home home screen, admin center, and view tools.
Admin center. Then manage template tools.
Tools, see all.
Where it is employee files.
What are you doing? Close it. Close it.
Why?
Just
It was
just
here only, no?
okay. Just typing the manage template. Just typing the
It
manage
was here
template.
only manage template
Yes,
was.
yes, yes, yes. There. Going for
Yes.
the which part? Manage template. That is for the please typing full template TEMPL. No. टाइपिंग कीजिए ठीक से यू जस्ट टाइपिंग प्रॉपरली हाँ आप जाके आएगा हाँ सो नाउ यू कैन सी मैनेज टेम्पलेट इन विच पार्ट डाउन डाउन नीचे आइए स्क्रीन डाउन कीजिए परफॉर्मेंस
Mm-hmm.
मैनेजमेंट ओपन द परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट फाइल
Yes.
यहाँ पे जाइए परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू में
Yes.
यहाँ पे किसी को एडिट कीजिए लाइक परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू 2023 को चेंज कीजिए किसी का भी ओके जस्ट ए मिनट जस्ट क्रिएट ए ऑन टेम्पलेट आपने बात की था मोनिका मैडम से नहीं
She is saying Sara data. I have given you all the details.
ओके लेट्स ओपन ए न्यू टेम्पलेट देखता हूँ हुआ है कि नहीं हाँ फर्स्ट वन मैनेजर रिव्यू ओनली
Okay.
एड टू स्टार्ट बट just a minute what are you doing okay that's fine every time you just change na that name हाँ
Our name
confirm
should have been changed.
हाँ
Shall I change now?
okay that is okay you just cancel it again because that is standard now you can
That is done.
so I am
Can
telling
we
you
hold the call for 2 minutes?
just
Can we hold it for two
yes
minutes?
yes yes yes
There's someone on it. Hello.
Yes, yes, continue.
Yeah.
So add a new template.
Hmm.
Just okay. So yes, performance review manager only.
Yes.
Click on it. Add to my instance. So just a minute. You just change the name. You can take your company performance review.
MBT.
MBT performance review.
Okay. Yes.
Now save it. Now going for the general setting. General
Where it
setting.
is.
नीचे
Yes.
नीचे
Yes.
below the
Yeah, I'm
preview.
going.
जनरल सेटिंग नहीं उसमें नहीं जाना प्रीव्यू के नीचे है जनरल
Yeah,
सेटिंग.
I got that. I got general settings. Yeah.
ओके रूट मैप क्या था अभी आपने मेंटेन किया था ना ए बी सी या एम बी सी जस्ट पुट इट रूट मैप यू जस्ट
MBT.
यस प्लीज पुट द रूट मैप एम. वहाँ पे क्यों व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. मैं बोला रूट
Okay.
मैप. हाँ.
Yes. Yes. MBT route map that I made. Yes.
एंड द रेटिंग स्केल आपने बनाया एम बी टी का नहीं बनाया.
Rating scales on. Yes, I made.
सो जस्ट असाइन दैट रेटिंग स्केल एम बी टी और वाट एवर यू आर टेकिंग. तो अभी बस दैट इज फाइन. ओके सो गोइंग फॉर द एडिट एंड फील्ड सेक्शन. एडिट एंड फील्ड सेक्शन में जाइए.
Goal.
हाँ गोल में जाइए. यहाँ पे आपने गोल चूज कीजिए. यू शुड गिव योर गोल नंबर. व्हाट इज योर गोल. नीचे
Mm-hmm.
नीचे. हाँ दैट इज गोल प्लान ऑफ एम पी टी सी. हैव यू क्रिएटेड और नॉट गोल प्लान. आई
Yes,
टॉक.
I've created.
हाँ तो उसमें ड्रॉप डाउन कीजिए. चूज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव प्लान में ड्रॉप डाउन कीजिए. दिस वन चूज
I
विच.
can see I created one.
I cannot see your screen. Can you say it again?
Oh, okay. I thought it's visible.
नीचे आइए नीचे. डाउन.
No, I shared my screen.
No, I cannot see.
Okay. No, no, it must be some issue. Like,
Again, stop sharing and again
stop
share it.
sharing. I'll again share the full
Yes,
screen so that.
yes.
Yes. No.
Just cancel it. हाँ नीचे नीचे. हाँ यहाँ पे नहीं है गोल प्लान.
Let me
एम
search.
हाँ एम पी सी वाटर.
MBT, I created one, but can I take it yours so that I can to understand?
No, because every time you cannot take my scenario, you can take your own scenario. So again, going to the duplicate option, tab, going
Okay,
to
I'll do that. I'll do that. Goal plan. I'll take.
What is this happening? Fuck it, Jonas.
going for the goal plan.
Objectives.
5, 7.
Create for the basic goal plan.
What is this? 5,
Basic.
7. Oh.
Again,
This was by. This is created by me.
okay, so going for the again home screen. Home
Home.
screen. Yeah.
Hmm.
Again going for the admin center.
Hmm. Hmm.
Again going for the tools and all tools.
Hmm.
Again typing manage template. Manage template. What are you typing?
Manage template.
Now going for the objective management and
Yes. Yes.
Huh.
Hmm.
So now going for the which part? Objective plan. Going for the objective plan.
Hmm.
So create your own template, add new template. So just a minute. Basic plan.
Yes, sir.
Go for the basic plan.
Hmm.
Add to my Insta. Just a minute. What are you doing? Just wait. You
Hmm.
just giving your own plan name like GMT goal plan 2023. Please give that name.
Okay, I got that. You have tracking. I have to make from manage template thing.
So now you can create. Going going for the general setting. What was I
Oh,
doing? Going for the
yes, yes.
general
Sir.
setting.
Hmm.
Uh, just down, nothing now. Going for the second option, edit categories. Going for the second option, edit categories.
Where?
Below the general setting का नीचे edit. Going for the
Okay, edit.
there is one option is goal. हाँ
Yeah.
यहाँ पे labels ओके नथिंग इसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं करना. Going for the edit fields. Going for the edit fields.
Yes.
Okay, that is fine. Now you can save us. Now you can save. Now you can save. Save.
Same name.
Again, given the same name, nothing a big issue.
Yes.
Hmm. Have you saved, na?
Yes, yes.
Very good.
Where?
So again, you are going for the manage template, the previous tab. Again going previous tab में जाइए. गूगल क्रोम का ऑफ स्क्रीन में जाइए. टैब उसका प्रीवियस टैब में
मम्मी
जाइए.
फोन
Keep quiet. Yes, yes, yes.
Now okay.
Yeah.
Now you can give your goal plan, GMR, whatever, GMT something.
Okay, now I. Mm-hmm.
Have you seen here?
No, I can't see my goal plan here.
Again refresh it. Again refresh it. Maybe that is.
मम्मी
Hmm. Reload.
Yes, reload.
मम्मी फोन कुछ बंदे
Yeah.
मम्मी फोन
Going going for the edit field and section.
Hmm.
Just a minute. You can give your route map. First you give your route map. That is fine.
Yeah.
मम्मी मम्मी
Ansh.
मम्मी
MBT route map.
बंदे
Yeah, this one. Yes, next.
Rating scale giving you
MBT rating scale
yes, very good. So now
and goal map.
ना नहीं नहीं नीचे
Hello.
नीचे.
Hello.
Just go to the edit field and section. Second option, edit field.
Yes, yes.
Going to the goals. हाँ.
Yeah.
You just searching your own goals. नीचे ये नीचे नीचे वहाँ नहीं जाना. नीचे नीचे.
Yeah, down.
Yeah. यहाँ पे सर्च कीजिए MBT goal plan 2023 whatever. Have you seen goal plan?
Yeah, GMP goal plan is there, which I made recently.
Yes.
Let it, let it.
So now
So
click
if I'm
GMP goals.
not able to make it, then I can make it from manage templates.
So everything is completed. Am I right?
Yes, now I have to launch the form.
Yes. Going for the home screen and launch the form. Type the launch form.
दुश्मन पागल
Launch form. Launch form.
Yes.
Play. I'm on call. You go and play.
Mummy, phone.
Go and play.
Me, I want phone.
Your launch form.
Mummy, phone. Please, mummy, phone.
Yeah.
Going for the performance management. Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. You just typing your template now. You have created now. Yeah, MBT
MBT.
performance. Yes, yes. Now
Okay.
going for the next. Yes, that is fine. That is fine now. Next. Nothing you have to change. Just a minute. Customize. Custom. Uh, you are doing.
Back.
Uh, custom में जाइए. You just doing a custom. You can change the date. Not 25. Why you 25? You giving 15 to
Oh,
15 to 24.
15th. 30th.
That is fine. 30th. Giving date also 30th. Hmm.
Mummy, phone, phone,
Next.
Just
phone, phone.
one going for the one enjoy.
Yeah.
Just typing your name, tips, demo 11 or Tiffany, whatever. Enter the name here. No, no. Enter the name here. उसका previous one employee के
Yes.
सामने. Yes.
Yes, yes, Tiffany. Demo 11.
Yeah, demo 11.
Go.
Can I eat this all?
Yes.
Mummy, can I eat this all?
Yeah.
Just
Demo
typing
11.
next. Then going for the next. What are you doing? Only one
Oh,
employee. Yeah, that is
ah,
fine. Now going for the next.
next.
Uh, Now lunch. Okay. Going for the monitor job. I will see demo 11. No. Demo 11.
Papa, how I could open?
Where?
Okay. Again going for the home page. Nothing big deal.
Can you open and try it for me?
Monitor job.
Mummy,
Monitor
I
job.
can't open.
Okay. Monitor job.
Monitor job. Second one. Second one.
Huh, how could I open?
Monitor
Mummy,
job.
open this for me.
Now that is fine. You are going for the schedule job manager. नीचे जाइए. That is fine. Just cancel it. बाद में click कीजिए. Going for
Okay.
यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन है schedule job manager. Going for the schedule job manager. नीचे.
Yes, yes, I got it.
So have you seen demo 11 is there or not? वहाँ पे click कीजिए.
Yes.
Just wait 1 to 2 minutes. Demo 11. Yes, so that is successful. So how I
There
can
it
see?
is. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I can see.
So you. So now close it. 1 to 2.
Okay.
Now run.
Hello.
Yes, yes, do it.
Can
Going
I
for the
stop sharing?
no. You have to check it whether that is coming or not. Just close on it.
Okay.
Going for the home screen. After I can check, you can stop saying okay. Performance. That is a fine. Again going for the performance. Drop down it. नहीं ड्रॉप डाउन होम स्क्रीन ड्रॉप डाउन कीजिए.
Okay, okay.
इसमें होगा परफॉर्मेंस. यू कैन सी
Yeah.
MBT performance you that is today na. Very good.
Yes, yes.
So
It's
whatever
there.
your doubt that should be clear now right now.
Okay.
So you just stop sharing so I can start a new chapter today. Everything is clear
Yes.
right now.
Yes, yes. Now I'm clear. Now I got it.
So we have today learned about the reports. So any idea what do you mean by report? Any idea what do you mean by reports?
Reports? No.
Okay. See, reports means I want to see how many people are joining this date. Or can you tell me how many people are hiring whose date of birth is this month? because we have also an HR person to celebrate employee birthday this
Yeah.
month. So you have to give a report to your manager. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So how I can do, you just see. So first I am going for the step, which is very important step.
Can we hold for 1 minute?
Yes, yes, nothing. You just
Let me give him. Yes. Reports.
yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah. Report.
So what do you mean reports? I am asking a simple question. What do you mean reports?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what do you mean reports?
Reports means consolidated data, the complete data of whatever, let's say hiring is done. So consolidation, how much, what is the performance, and means like how many hiring is done and how many, what is the target.
Very good. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Wait for me.
I made report also.
Okay.
अरे भाई को क्या हो गया अभी भाई क्या हो गया चलो चेंज कर दे
Okay. So what do just a minute. See, reports
Yes.
mean that is one type of consolidated data. Am I right? Okay. So
Yes.
how I am going for this step, going for the administrator, there is one option is giving reporting. Otherwise, directly you can go for the report option. Okay. Have you seen
Okay.
my screen now?
Okay.
So I am going for the home screen. Okay. There's two options. I am going for the home screen. Files.
Yes.
Okay. So here is also going
Yes.
for the admin center. There is one option is given report. There is also one option you are going for the reports option. Maybe
Yeah.
something that is shown or not shown, depending upon your system. Okay.
Yes, I was watching this. Yeah.
Have you report? Have you
Integrate.
seen report? See, this is a report. You can also going by this type of report. Okay. Otherwise,
Okay.
we can go for the separate module reporting. So today we have learning separate module for the reporting. That is, I think, not in the
Reporting.
syllabus, but still I can give you the training because report is also very important.
Okay.
So I'm going for the report. See, I think you have downloaded my PDF. There is everything given neat and clean. You are going for the
Mm-hmm.
directly report center. Okay. So you can add your new report. Okay, whatever you can take. So I am going to a new report creating. Okay. See, there is four options is given. PDF also you can see there is four options is given.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute. So four options is given. One is canvas, one is table, one is tiles, one is
One is
dashboard.
this dashboard and
So canvas is not given the permission, table also not given the permission. Only tiles given the permission, demo system, dashboard also not. Because most of company
dashboard
they are using which part? Tiles. Okay.
tile only. Okay.
So how I can change by the tiles. So I just select and I can take which scenario. So I can take it depending upon my reporting data. So most of time I have select the job information record. That means whatever I am hiring now, everything is under which part? Job information part. Means
Okay.
it's a employee part. So if n number of employee there, I can take my own scenario. Okay. You can take your own scenario. Okay. So I am going for the job information date change. Have you seen job information date change?
Yes.
Job information. Okay. So now I am going for the create it. So have you created right now?
Yes. Report created. Fine.
And nothing, don't worry. I can give you also opportunity. You can also create it. Okay, don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
It takes some time because reporting is a very complicated. Okay, no one expert this field also. It's a very complicated. So I can suppose typing anything. Suppose I can typing TCS data. Anything I want to see the data.
Okay.
TCS data.
Job information.
Same, nothing. Just copy and paste it. So have you created
Okay.
this step? Only you have to give the name, nothing a big deal, okay? You have to give in your
Okay.
data or report name. Going for the people.
Mm-hmm.
So who can see your data? Maybe your team view, metrics reports means your seniors, HR reports or others. So always
Okay.
take your team view, otherwise going for the others because I am going for the others filters means everyone can see my data. Okay.
Okay.
You can give also some condition like everyone can see your data or you can, Jennifer Lederman. So I want to see that everyone can see my data. Am I right? Because whatever I am creating a reporting. Okay. So going for the value. Value means whatever a division, every division is selected. Suppose I am
Okay.
taking, suppose I am deselector, means I am not taking everyone can see my data or everyone data I can found into it. I found only this department or this division data only. Okay, so that is one type of restriction. I can see data from this division or this company code. Okay, so that is not possible because I can see every data, so I can found my data.
Mm-hmm.
So I am going for the every division. There is also same every department also I can select all. Or location also I
Mm-hmm.
can select all. Suppose I can deselect and I can only searching from the which location Bangalore. So I can also
Background.
done for a specific reporting, but I can see everyone in my report, so I can select every location. Have you understood the concept right now?
Yes.
So till now, any confusion you have been facing right now?
No.
Okay. So now going for the chart. See, chart are n number of type. It's maybe line chart, it may be pie chart. See, whenever you're going for the pie chart, that's screen is changed. Column also screen is changed. It's depending upon. So I can going for the pie chart that is more familiar. You can take anything line also, nothing a big deal. So I can take pie. You can take anything. So from which category you want to find the data? So you can also see it. Okay. So this is my name. PDF I can take 1, 2, 3, 4. Report time. They can take team view. You can take other also. This is my login user. Right reporting. This is all will was here. Means everyone can see the data. Okay. So now going for the next, that person is taking at the line chart. You can take your personal ID, metric also, count. Now going for the whom. Okay. So now going for the filter group. This part is completed. Now going for the filter group. Have you seen this category also you have to maintain. From which category you want to take your data. Okay. In category that is not mentioned. Okay. In PDF also something is not mentioned. Okay, so nothing a big deal. So I can take, okay, what? Any user ID, any username, any display name. Okay. Whatever the information I have. Okay, suppose. So I can take from that data. So I just do. So the success factor saying you cannot take all the data. You can take one data. From that one data you can searching your reporting. So I can take
Mm-hmm.
from username because everyone having the username. So from that username I can find suppose first name. From that username I can take first name or I can take anything. So
Employee info.
from that username suppose I can find Suppose first name. I want to display the first name. So I can see whenever I am hiring n number of candidates, so which display name is given, I can see only that employee detail. So I just given the condition display name. So have you clear right now?
Yes.
So what do you do with filters? Again, you have to filter from which data to which data you can take the filter. From which data we can take the filter. So I can take the filter from username also. That is selection by all. Means see, there is also n number of scenario. You can take 1 to 3 username. Otherwise, you can select all. Okay. So you are going for the select all. So I want to display name. That is a select all. Okay, like that I am only taking 1 to 2 scenario. That is also fine. First name, last name. If you want, you can check also. Display name. What is the first name, last name? I think personal information. First name, last name also I can see. I can see the data from that person having the first name, last name also. What is the last name? What is the last name? Personal info. What is the last name? First name is display name. What is the first name? This one, last name. So like that I can mark everyone who having the first name, last name. So I can found my reports. Okay. How many people are having that name is display. That display is maintained. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is enable date filter. Okay. That is drop down, enable stick, that is preview. Display name. So like that I can find.
Okay. This is data.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
See, this is my data. So whenever I am hiring for someone and that person displays shown, so how many employer? There are around 10 to 12 employees who displays shown. Have you seen?
Yes.
Data is in. Otherwise, I am going for a see the data in a which part? Line also. There is how many candidates? So you can take like that, like that. I cannot hear you. Can you rejoin again, Mega? Please. Can you rejoin again?
Sorry.
There is some network issue. Can you rejoin again?
Okay, I do that. Yes.
Just a minute. Okay, can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mega? Mega, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Mega? Can you hear me? Just a minute. No, what happened? Can you hear me, Mega? I think network issue from your side. Mega, can you hear me? Please rejoin. I cannot hear you. Please rejoin. Hello, can you hear me? Mega, can you hear me? Mega, can you hear me? I think there is network issue from your side. Mega, can you hear me? Mega, can you hear me? Uh, but but I cannot hear you. Just a minute. Mega, can you hear me? Please say yes or no. I cannot hear you. Hello, Mega. Hello. But the yes, but I can understand na, if you are so how can I guide you if you are not, you know? Okay, okay, just again rejoin both of you, then see what happens. Okay, you also join. Yeah. Mega, can you hear me? Mega, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So can you try yourself?
Yes.
Please
Yeah,
try.
I will try. I'll share this.
So have you known the concept?
Yeah, I'm trying try to do that. Admin center.
Why you going the admin center? There is nothing report. Again going for the home screen and going for the report. Home screen,
Okay,
report. REPOR.
I can see that.
Report, there is no option for report. Who tell you? Report is there, na? Very good.
Yes, yes.
Now you can create your own report. Get in employee profile, typing employee profile, date range.
Employee profile.
Date range. Date range. just a minute. I can see the
Yeah.
PDF also.
This one, na?
No, no, not this one. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Just a minute. That is job information date range. Job information.
Job information.
This one, yes, this one.
Okay. Yeah. Name.
Anything,
I'll,
your report. You take your name of your company report.
yeah, yeah. Description, same thing.
Hmm. Again, going for the next step. Yes. So this is for not team view. This is for other view. Just change it.
Okay.
Going for the others filters. Yes. Next step. Going for the next. Login for every user. That is fine. You are going for the next. Huh. What are you doing again? Going for the
Yeah.
next. Everything is fine now.
Yes, yes.
So you can
Chart
see
type.
anything, pie, column, whatever you can take it.
I will take.
Category, just going for the category. Category.
Yeah, I can see.
Category, you are searching from your data. From which data? From you going for the employee information below. नीचे नीचे employee information. नीचे में जाइए employee
Yeah,
information
yeah.
left hand side. Yes. So
Yes.
you can take your data from which part? Just up कीजिए. Drop down
Okay.
up कीजिए. हाँ.
Hmm.
That is
User ID.
yes, perfect. Now finished.
Okay.
So from the user ID you can take your reports or data. So what is
Okay.
your second scenario? Going for the second scenario.
Next.
Matrix. Matrix. No, no matrix. What are you doing? Matrix.
Yes, yes. Matrix में.
मैट्रिक्स में जाइए आप पाई चार्ट में क्यों जा रहे हैं हाँ मैट्रिक्स में जाइए
Yeah.
so from the user id suppose you are finding someone username okay so you click on the username so you can see in the employee id how many username is maintained you just
Mm-hmm.
username में click कीजिए and finished finished
Okay.
finished so again going for the calculation is account then next में जाइए हाँ
Mm.
next. So you can take some scenario also. Redefine criteria. Go and click on it. Redefine criteria. Filter group one के नीचे जाइए. Yes.
Yes.
Employee information नीचे जाइए. Left hand side.
Yes.
ऊपर सबसे ऊपर.
Yeah.
Employee information. No.
Yeah, yeah. Employee information, user ID, username.
You just typing user ID and username. First, second, third also. First, second, third, fourth. Finish. Select all. That means you have select all the data of the employee ID.
Okay.
You have not select properly. Again, what are you doing? Again, first one. Yes. Just wait for a minute. Wait. Going for the my selection. Again going for the selector. Again going for the selector.
Select all.
Then finished. Finished.
Okay.
Click on finished. Yes. So all employee data is of just a minute. And also like that you are going for the username also same concept.
Username
Yes.
by my selection.
Again select all
Select all.
and finished.
Okay. Finished.
Finished. Going
Now
for
where
the
is it?
next.
Next.
Enable the date filter. Then next.
Okay.
Again add to the column. Add column में जाइए. Employee information. Second option. Employee
Yeah.
information. select user ID, username, display name. Now finished. First name, nothing required, just finished. First name,
Okay.
finished. Now
Yeah.
going for the which part? Preview.
Preview.
Yeah, there is one
Where?
option.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
I think
Issues.
there is. Have you maintained the drill down? Going to the drill down
Where?
below the date filter. Date filter के सामने जाइए.
Okay. 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 I know.
I think you should again you edit it.
Where?
So so you are going for the okay that is finished, that is fine.
Okay.
You just going for the filter option. Filter option में जाइए.
Mm.
You just
Mm.
delete. You just delete that filter option is not required. You just delete. हाँ, delete. Now going for the preview. Preview में जाइए. Again issue. Again going for the date filter. Again going for the again going for the filter. Going for the filter.
Okay.
Redefine filter.
Where?
Hmm. Just click on a redefine filter. नीचे below the filter.
Refine criteria is there.
Yes, so refine criteria.
Yes.
You can take user ID first, second, selector.
User ID.
Just a minute. Wait for some time.
Yes.
Now finished. Finish it. Like that. Going for the user ID also.
User ID.
User ID, display name. This part also.
Display name. Username. Display name.
Yes. Just wait 1-2 seconds.
Username.
Now finish it.
Yeah. Finished.
Yeah, finished. And now going for the date filters, data filter, date filters.
Date filters.
Here next one, date filter. उसका सामने है date filter. Near by the filter, date filter. यहाँ पे देखिए filter
Yeah.
के
Yeah.
सामने. नहीं वहाँ नहीं, filter का सामने देखिए date filter. Date filter.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. It's there.
Date filter. Okay. Then going for the drill down, drop down. You just again add. Going for the first name, last name also you can take them. First name, last name. First name, last name. नहीं उसमें जाना एम्प्लॉय इंफॉर्मेशन या पर्सनल इन्फो.
First name. Last name.
Yes.
It's not there.
Who say?
Employee ID is there.
First name also there ना. Yes,
Yeah.
first
It's there.
name.
It's there. Yeah. It's there.
Finished. Now finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Yeah.
Now going for the preview. Next. Sorry. Now going for the next and finish.
Next. Yeah. Next.
Next.
Yeah.
Still there is an issue. People are going for the people.
People.
Plus filter, that is also fine. Chart. next step, next step, next
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट में जाइए, नीचे में ऑप्शन है नेक्स्ट, नीचे में, यस,
Wait.
नो,
Yeah.
राइट हैंड साइड, वहाँ नहीं है नेक्स्ट,
Okay. Okay. I got the chart data.
चार्ट डाटा. So you have to going for the, you just change, you just change the,
Where?
yeah, change category, you can change the
Yeah.
category.
Yeah. Column.
नीचे नीचे जाइए, कैटेगरी में जाइए,
Category. Okay.
इसको चेंज कीजिए.
Okay.
You are going for the only यूजर नेम में क्लिक कीजिए.
Okay.
अनटिक एम्प्लॉय आईडी, अनटिक एम्प्लॉय, फास्ट को अनटिक कीजिए. हाँ,
Yeah, I got that.
हाँ, देन फिनिश्ड, क्लोज इट. हाँ, फिनिश
Okay.
इट, finish it. Okay, so okay, going for the display name, you are going for the click on a display name, antique username, antique username, second only display name, just select.
Okay.
Finish.
Yeah.
Display. Okay, now you can going for the preview.
Issues.
Again going for the people.
Yeah.
Going for the chart. Not chart.
Chart.
Chart data.
Here's chart data. Yeah.
Going for the change the display name, you just change the display name. डिस्प्ले नेम को चेंज कीजिए कैटेगरी में जाके. ओह माय गॉड, सेकंड कैटेगरी.
Yeah, I can see.
हाँ, सो इसमें जाके चेंज कीजिए एम्प्लॉय इंफॉर्मेशन. हाँ, सो नाउ चेंज टू यूजर नेम और एम्प्लॉय आईडी, फर्स्ट वन. नाउ फिनिश इट. Going for the, that is fine. Going for the third step, filter. Going for the filter. Delete 3 step. Going for the date filter.
Yeah.
Going for the delete out. Next step में जाइए. Next.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट में जाइए. नेक्स्ट. हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय आईडी, यूजर नेम. ओके, नाउ गोइंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट.
Yes.
Still there is an issue, I don't know. I think there is a issue of the
Papa, don't remove it from the charging, mummy.
Okay.
I think there is issue from your server, I don't know why this is. Okay, just stop sharing my thing and you just see my step. Okay, you just follow my step. Stop sharing right now.
Okay.
See, this is my first step. Okay, please cross check it. You can check your screen right now. Have you seen my screen? Just a minute.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Can I? You just see one by one step from my report. Have you seen? This is fine. Have you seen right now? Please cross check it. Please Megha cross check it from your configuration. Hello?
Won't. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So this is fine. Then going for the second. You can take the photo also. Please take the photo of your mobile. That's really easy.
Okay.
Taken?
I have not. Let me take the screenshot.
Okay. I can take behalf of you. Okay, you nothing worry about that.
Okay, you can share it.
I can
Video
later
is
share it.
still.
I can later share it. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, you can take and send me.
Hmm. Date filter. We have done one mistake, that is enable district. We cannot enable it, so that's why. Okay, don't worry. So mistake we can learn something now.
Cat life simulator.
Let's share the screen right now.
Okay.
Share the screen.
Yeah.
Looking for.
Home screen and reports.
Yeah, yeah.
Going for the new report.
Uh,
Tiles. Select. You have to searching. Just a minute. Job information, date category. Job information. Job information. Typing the job information. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm right. Yeah.
What are you doing new now?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Tiles. Job information. JOB.
Where?
Job information. Huh. Then next. Just a minute. Someone calling. Just a minute. हाँ भाई हैदा ना कौन हाँ 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 कोठी कोठी ठीक ଅଛି ମୁଁ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି yes do please do SAP screen open
one reason.
Yes.
you just name your
Name?
report name anything report name
Yes. Same name can I give?
yeah anything same name no you just take the today date also 25 2023 whatever
Report 25/08/2023.
just copy and paste in the description also
Okay.
paste it now going for the next people
Oh, अंदर ले. Yeah.
people
Yes.
click on it people
People. It's people only.
okay now going for the chart data now going for the
Okay.
category select category going for the
Yes.
username click on a user and
Mm-hmm.
finish it
Finished.
from the second
Okay.
option from the username you want to see the display name just click on it
Okay.
मैट्रिक्स में क्लिक कीजिए बिलो दैट यूजर नेम. हाँ.
Yes. Yes.
हाँ. Have you find display name? हाँ. Just finish.
It's there. Finished. Okay.
Going for the okay. Going for the filter. Filter you type username. Filter username.
Where? Where?
No, here refine criteria. Refine criteria में क्लिक कीजिए refine
Yeah,
criteria.
yeah. Okay. Username.
Yes, click on a username and click on a display name also. Display
Display
name.
name.
Click on a first and last name.
Yay.
What is this? First and last name also.
Ah, down.
Done.
First name, last name. Ah. Now the last name. Just 1 or 2 seconds. Ah, now click. Ah, now finish it.
Okay.
Now going for the next step.
That is date filters.
Yes, date filters. Enable date filters.
Okay.
Going for the drill down.
Okay.
Uh, Add column.
Okay.
Here is also you can type user ID number, user or employee ID number, then
Okay.
username, display name. Then going for the employee ID, date of birth, down.
Where it is.
Why you will click on notification? Untick on notification.
Okay.
Okay, now going for the employee information. Go for the employee information. एम्प्लॉय इन्फॉर्मेशन. हाँ, यहाँ पे आप मेंशन करना है दैट इज डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड फर्स्ट नेम एंड लास्ट नेम. डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम उसके क्लियर ना. नीचे लास्ट नेम नीचे. आई एम टेलिंग यू यू गोइंग फॉर द एम्प्लॉय इन्फॉर्मेशन. और कैटेगरी में क्यों जा रहे? डाउन में जाइए ना. एम्प्लॉय
Where?
इन्फॉर्मेशन नीचे में जाइए. ऑल कॉलम्स के नीचे ऊपर. हाँ, ऊपर जाइए सबसे ऊपर.
Yeah, first.
एम्प्लॉय इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए ना. एम्प्लॉय इन्फॉर्मेशन
Where it is? Employee information.
ऊपर में है, सबसे ऊपर में. हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ, यहाँ पे देखिए हो फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम होगा, डेट ऑफ बर्थ होगा. नीचे जाइए. नीचे फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम नहीं है.
No, it's not there.
तो गोइंग टू द सेकेंड ऑप्शन पर्सनल इन्फो. इसमें होगा. है डेट ऑफ बर्थ है ना. यू कैन सी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम उसमें.
Yes.
नाउ फिनिश.
Okay. Now preview.
Yeah. Just a minute. There is one mistake. You have to enable the district. Enable district. Below enable district.
Where?
Below the drill down. हाँ, उसका
Okay.
side
Okay.
box one box is there.
Yes. Yes.
Now
Now finish.
now
Preview.
finish.
There is no data to be visualized.
Have you seen all step?
Yeah, I've seen. I'll try later.
Okay, I can send you the pictures. You just see it.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Have you received? Now I can send you the WhatsApp.
Yeah, let me check. Yes, I have received all the pictures. Yes,
Please
yes.
see the step one by step. Okay. Then you have to practice by
Oh,
yourself. Then we should meet on Sunday. Okay.
Sunday.
Sunday or which day have you meet? Tomorrow or
Or
Sunday?
Sunday is fine.
23
Okay. Okay. Then thank you so much. Please do the practice. Okay. Then that problem should be sorted out. Okay.
Okay, I'll try for reports in case if
Doubt you
I'll
should
be
ask
having,
me.
and we will ask on Sunday. Sunday. Okay.
Sunday. Okay. Thank you.